Create a tag can help you to manage your email lists effectively in systemeio, and in this video I want to share with you how you can do that. So first you can go to the contact tab right here and you click on tags. Now you can see on the top right, click on create and you can name the tag. In this case I'm going to name it my Facebook list subscribers and click on save. Now you can see it right here on the top. The next step we need to do is to connect this tag to the list that people obtaining our page. To do that, you can go to website, you go to the sales funnels. Now you can locate to the squeeze page that you want to add the tag. And this would be the squeeze page right here. Click on automation rules and click on add rules and click on this plus button here. Click on page visited. Now click on this plus button. In here you can choose add a tag. And now you can choose the tag that we've created. I need to scroll down and I choose my Facebook list subscribers here. Just click on that one. And you can hit save rule at the bottom here. That's it. You will see the green check right here. When you see the green check right here, that means you are successfully add a tag to your subscriber lists. Now, what is a tag for? It's super helpful when you want to send a newsletter. For example, I click on these newsletters here. I want to create a newsletter for my subscribers. I just need to click on create. And now I just want to make a simple one. So I just choose samples and I hit save. Now click on this one and you can choose the title for your email, the body. But what we are doing here is you see include these tags. Just choose one of the tags that you have created before. For example, in this case, I'm going to choose my Facebook list subscribers. Just click on that one. Now I can send anything to my subscribers. So that is all for the tags in systemeio. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com, and bye-bye.